Introducing the Fellow LMS Marketplace. External content can deliver fast, scalable, and expert-driven learning to fuel your team's success. The Fellow LMS Marketplace offers quality courses from selected partners, expertly developed, trusted, and up-to-date. Access to trainings directly in your own platform. Available in multiple languages. The marketplace offers a wider range of single courses and complete course packages. New courses will be added regularly. In About the Marketplace, you will find the ins and outs over the marketplace. Get an overview of how the marketplace works. On the left, you will find filters to filter the available courses. For example, filter by free or paid options. A language filter helps you to quickly find available courses for specific languages. On top, you will find several libraries. A library will give you an overview of all courses and packages that vendor offers. On the library page, you will find the offers of that vendor, topics, and example courses. Looking for a course on a specific topic? Use the search to easily find relevant courses directly. A specific course page will show you a description of the course, what you will learn, and how to use the course. On the right side, you will find more information about the vendor and contact information. Interested in the course? Contact the vendor and discuss details. Made a deal with the vendor? Fellow Digitals handles the rest and will make sure you will receive the courses in your platform, fully ready to go. The marketplace is available in your platform. For questions, contact your personal account manager or product consultant at Fellow Digitals.